Welcome back to Review Remedy, where we help you make informed healthcare decisions with trusted insights from ScoreDoc. Here's a situation that's surprisingly common. You've decided it's finally time to schedule that dental appointment. Maybe it's been 6 months. Maybe it's been 6 years. You open Google, type "dentist near me," and suddenly you're looking at hundreds of dental practices across the Sacramento area. Between downtown, East Sacramento, Natomas, Midtown, Land Park, Arden Arcade, and nearby neighborhoods, narrowing that list into just one clinic can quickly become overwhelming. That's where today's episode comes in. Instead of spending hours comparing ratings and reading hundreds of reviews, we've done the homework, using ScoreDoc's rankings to bring you 7 of the best dental clinics in Sacramento for 2026. But here's what makes Review Remedy different. We're not simply reading a ranked list. We're helping you understand which clinic might be the best fit, depending on where you live, what kind of dental care you need, and the experience you're looking for. Because the best dentist isn't always the one at the top of a list. It's the one that's right for you. As always, this episode is for educational purposes only and shouldn't replace advice from your dental professional.
Before we dive into today's clinics, here's one tip that can save you both time and frustration. When choosing a dental clinic, don't focus only on ratings. Think about convenience. If your dentist is close to where you live or work, you're much more likely to keep routine appointments. And routine visits often prevent the bigger and more expensive problems later on. So today, we'll group these clinics by the areas they serve to make your decision a little easier.
Let's begin with East Sacramento. If you live in East Sac, Midtown, Elmhurst, or nearby neighborhoods, 2 clinics immediately stand out: East Sac Dental and Miyasaki Dental. These are excellent options if convenience is one of your priorities and you'd like to stay close to central Sacramento. Whether you're scheduling routine cleanings, fillings, crowns, or long-term preventive care, having a trusted dentist nearby makes regular visits much easier. If your workday keeps you downtown, choosing one of these clinics can also reduce travel time before or after work.
Now let's move north to the Natomas area. If you live in North Natomas, South Natomas, or frequently travel through Interstate 5, Natomas Crossing Dental Care is a clinic worth researching. Families often appreciate practices that can become their long-term dental home. When the entire household visits the same clinic, scheduling appointments and maintaining dental records becomes much more convenient. If you're moving into the growing Natomas community or recently changed insurance providers, this practice deserves a place on your shortlist.
Next, let's talk about downtown Sacramento and surrounding neighborhoods. If accessibility is your biggest concern, Artisan Dentistry and Smiles Dental Studio are 2 excellent options to explore. Many professionals working downtown prefer clinics that are easy to reach during lunch breaks or immediately after work. When researching either clinic, ask about appointment availability, preventive care plans, and whether they offer comprehensive services under one roof. Having restorative, cosmetic, and preventive dentistry available in one location can save time if your dental needs change in the future.
Now let's look at family-focused care. If you're searching for a clinic where both children and adults can receive treatment, Bubbles Dental Sacramento is certainly worth exploring. Choosing a family-friendly dental practice often means fewer appointments at different locations and a more familiar experience for younger patients. Here's a practical question to ask any family dental office. How do you help children feel comfortable during their first visits? The answer can tell you a lot about the clinic's approach to patient care.
The final clinic on today's list is Stonebrook Dental. If you're looking for a practice that can support your dental health over many years, this clinic deserves consideration. Many people think about dentists only when something hurts, but the best dental experiences often begin long before that. Routine examinations, professional cleanings, early cavity detection, gum health monitoring, and personalized preventative advice all help reduce the likelihood of more extensive treatment later. The goal isn't simply fixing dental problems, it's preventing them whenever possible.
So how do you narrow these 7 excellent clinics into your own shortlist? Instead of asking, which clinic is ranked highest? Ask yourself these questions. Where do I spend most of my time? Am I looking for routine preventive care? Do I need cosmetic dentistry? Am I searching for a family dentist? Or do I want a clinic that offers comprehensive treatment as my dental needs change over time? Once you've answered those questions, your decision often becomes much easier.
Here's another helpful reminder. Don't wait until you're experiencing severe tooth pain before establishing care. Regular dental visits are one of the simplest ways to protect not only your smile, but your overall health. Healthy gums and healthy teeth contribute to better long-term wellness, and small issues are almost always easier and less expensive to treat early. If today's episode helped narrow your search, visit the complete ScoreDoc guide, where you'll find patient reviews, provider profiles, and additional details about each of today's featured clinics. You'll find the link in today's show notes.
Finding the right dentist isn't just about fixing today's problem. It's about finding a practice you'll feel confident returning to for years to come.
Thanks for joining us for another episode of Review Remedy. We'll be back soon with another healthcare guide designed to help you make informed decisions with confidence. Until next time, stay informed, take care of your smile, and remember, the best healthcare decisions begin with the right information.